Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs.
Printed borders, sleeve borders, this is concept relaunch. Dark maroon color, maroon color, printed yoke plus all over sticker work plus dupatta all over sticker work with same color shanton pants and lining. Term value guardian, affordable price available 1,500. Range very special sticker works available. Online purchase website to purchase. Reddish maroon tone first one. Next color teal blue tone. Gorgeous color. I think it's color. Products with bottom and lining. Next one is dark green color. But we set a tie patch floral print, rich print. One side, dupatta, Georgette fabric, dupatta one side print with same color, shanton pants and lining. Teal blue tone. Super cute teal blue color. That's why Georgette blooming foxy full sticker work with dupatta, same color shanton pants and lining. 1,500. That's cowden green. Cowden green color with all over sticker work dupatta. Dupatta with bottom and lining. Next one is deep blue tone, dark blue color. Neckline print, printed borders with all over sticker work, body with pant, lining. That's lipstick maroon, dark maroon color, maroon color, reddish maroon tone with very gorgeous dupatta. Colors in the video last but first concept is try violet, dark violet color. Beautiful print with borders. Deep blue, blackish blue color. Blackish blue, blackish blue color with dupatta. Same color shanton pants with lining. Three colors are. Thank you.